Good work that they do. We have all that info for you on our website, WKLC.com, as well as the weather.
Yes,
Yes,
as well as the weather. Interactive, radar, whatever you need, forecast block, all of that. I hope by the time April gets here, or whenever prom is for this time of year in Northeast Ohio, it's going to be warm enough where the ladies can put those dresses on, look all beautiful.
Oh, they're wearing the short skirts and sleeveless everything, even in the dead of winter. No, I got the teenage girls.
Maybe they'll have a shawl or at least something
a shawl
to drape across themselves.
Jason, come on.
I know. 31 degrees outside right now. If you want to go outside in maybe a t-shirt, maybe a skirt, listen, by all means, do whatever you want to, but just bundle up, okay? That cold front has slid across the region, I should say. That area of low is right down towards the south of us right now. And so what we are dealing with is going to be a 1-2 punch of cold. So this is the first iteration of cold sliding into the region. The next one arrives for you tomorrow, heading in towards Tuesday, where we slip even further in the overnight hours. We have that north wind, roughly 5 to 10 miles per hour right now, coming straight across the lake. Temperatures feels like the mid to low 20s, 28 degrees surface temperature in Cuyahoga County. Now, this surface temperature as well as the wind chill factor, obviously, it depends on how fast the winds are blowing and the direction of them. Normally this time of year, we have more of a proponent from a north wind that really offers an extra bone chilling feel out there. And that's what we're dealing with tonight. We're already having our temperatures kind of scale back here 5 to 10 degrees from 24 hours ago. Last night, we had all of that warmth that moved in with that south wind, extra cloud cover, which is why we started out with a lot of rain today. A little bit of snow will move in overnight tonight. Models are picking up that we could have maybe around a dusting, perhaps getting up to maybe a ½ inch or maybe an inch. This is leading towards the start of our Monday, so it's kind of expanding a little bit. We'll have more of the scattered snow shower activity happening throughout the morning hours for us on Monday. Some warming conditions could be looming south, inland around the Tuscarawas and Carroll County area, maybe even over to Richland County. There may be a little bit of mix there. Throughout the day for us on Monday, temperatures will be hovering around the freezing mark, so anything that is going to be falling in the afternoon will likely just be snow showers. And this really is going to be sort of the game that we're going to be dealing with for the drive at 5 as well. Temperatures already slipping back into the mid-20s around 6 p.m., low 20s as we head towards the evening hours. So that is that second push of cold air that's going to be arriving. Look at this, Tuesday morning, 5 a.m., northwest wind around 10 miles per hour. Teens are going to be at the surface here. Feels like temperatures in the single digits, and it will be unrelenting throughout the day on Tuesday as well. High temperatures likely in the low 20s. Doesn't really get that much better than that because we really start to slip even further waking up on Wednesday morning. More teens expected, perhaps even more single-digit wind chills likely as well. The good news in this, okay, we got the cold that's coming in as far as precipitation. That activity evades the area. We don't really have a whole lot to talk about in terms of precipitation. However, the south, from Texas all the way through Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, even the Carolinas, will be dealing with an onslaught of a lot of rain this week. So it's going to be really hampering some of these regions. But what we're going to be dealing with is likely going to be even some sunshine expected there for Wednesday and even Thursday of this week. So let's package it up for you. Later on tonight, we're going to have temperatures again slipping back into the low 30s, a little bit of light snow moving through. Visibility may be hampered just a little bit for you tomorrow morning, but I don't think it's going to be a terrible issue for you. 27 expected here in the city, north winds at 5 to 10. There's below average, I don't have to tell you that. We'll be in the low 30s and even upper 20s expected for you tomorrow. As far as snowfall forecasts, again, this is placing us at about noon for you tomorrow. A little bit of a dusting, 2/10, maybe 3/10 of an inch. Some areas, as I said before, could be picking up nearly an inch or so over towards the east, and that'll likely really kind of stick around that area and likely stay as well because we'll have below average temperatures likely. 6 to 10 day outlook keeps a little bit of a sliver of below average temperatures for us. In terms of precipitation, will also likely be below average as well. So yeah, we'll be cold, but we may not have a whole lot of snow. That's what the Climate Prediction Center is forecasting. Here's your Union Home Mortgage 10-day outlook. Pay close attention to the days, the temperatures, and also what it looks like in the sky conditions. Upper 20s, you can see by Wednesday, mainly sunny skies. We climb into the low 30s by Thursday, and then we get sucker punched yet again by Friday, go back into the teens overnight, and maybe even waking up in the single digits on Saturday morning. So we would begin February on a very, very cold note, but there's a little sliver of hope heading into next week at upper 30s and low 40s.
All right, thanks, Jason.